Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hi, I am Emma. Welcome to your English pronunciation practice.
Hi, Emma. I am Nexo. I am ready to practice.
Great, Nexo. Today we will listen, repeat, and feel the sound E in easy English words.
Nice. I will listen carefully and repeat with energy.
First, let me show you the structure of this lesson. Part 1 is words. You will hear clear words with the sound E. Part 2 is phrases. You will hear short phrases using those words. Go slowly. Listen first, and then repeat.
I like it. Words first, phrases next. Let's go.
Excellent. Let's start with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud.
B.
Tree. Tree. Key. Cheese. Leaf. Sheep. Wheel. Peach. C. T. Feet. Knee. Seed. Pizza. Eagle. Teeth. Bean. Phrases.
Good job. You completed the words. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible.
I did it. Now I want to hear the words in phrases.
Perfect. In phrases, the goal is to listen carefully to short phrases and get used to the sounds.
B. The bee is on a flower. The bee is on a flower. Tree. A tree is near the house. A tree is near the house. Key. The key is on the table. The key is on the table. Cheese. The cheese is yellow. The cheese is yellow. Leaf. The leaf is green. The leaf is green. Sheep.
Sheep. The sheep is in the field. The sheep is in the field. Wheel. Wheel. The wheel is big. The wheel is big.
Peach. Peach.
The peach is sweet. The peach is sweet. The beach is quiet. The beach is quiet. Sea. Sea. The sea is blue. The sea is blue. Tea. Tea. The tea is hot. The tea is hot. Feet. Feet. My feet are clean. My feet are clean. Knee. Knee. My knee hurts. My knee hurts. Seed. Seed. The seed is small. The seed is small. Pizza. Pizza. The pizza is on a plate. The pizza is on a plate. Eagle. Eagle. The eagle is in the sky. The eagle is in the sky. Teeth. Teeth. The teeth are white. The teeth are white. Bean. Bean. The bean is in the bowl. The bean is in the bowl.
Great work. You and Nexo finished the pronunciation lesson.
Yes, my ears are awake, and my mouth is ready for more English.
Fantastic. Keep listening and repeating. See you in the next class.